Ya hindi ya kuhinga kigomano kia arũgamĩrĩria macukuru ma secondary mwena wa Naivasha, Minister wa Gĩthomo Julius Ogamba augĩte kiumia gĩũkĩte maratanya thirikari nĩ kũrekereria ciringi birioni 21, agĩtĩkĩra atĩ macukuru nĩ macerithĩirio kĩgĩna na nĩ kumana na mũhatĩkano wa mabataro ma mbeca kuma kũrĩ minister ya kĩgĩna igĩbatarwo nĩ honge itiganĩte.
We're working with the Treasury as I indicated every single day. In fact, even today our teams are there trying to push to see whether we can have the capitation released, and it's going to be released anytime because, as you are aware, because of the competition of the limited resources, the release of the exchequer sometimes delays, but we are working to ensure that the capitation for this term is released as soon as possible.
Ogamba augĩte nĩ amũkĩrĩte riboti cia arũgamĩrĩria macukuru mamwe gwĩtia mbeca kuma kũrĩ aciari iria itetĩkĩrĩtio kumana na gũcerithĩrio gwa kĩgĩna gĩkĩ, akiuga arĩa mekũnyitĩkana nĩ mekuoerwo makinya ma kĩwatho. O rĩrĩ mwandĩki mũkaru thĩinĩ wa ministry no augĩte harĩ mathenya maingĩ megiĩ ũgai wa kĩgĩna marabatara gũthondekwo.
The ministry does not allow anybody to charge any levies that are not stipulated in our policies, and we are trying to ensure that our teams here, and part of the discussions we're having is that one, that ensure that in the areas of your inspection there are no institutions that are charging illegal levies, and if we find that that is being done, then we take administrative action against those particular officers. So they are not supposed to levy any illegal levies.
The conversation this morning has been that we need to take our positions so that we can be able to contribute positively to our country.
Ogamba augĩte nĩ mararanĩria na honge itiganĩte nĩguo kwarĩra mũtaratara wa ũrĩa arutwo a mũthingi mekũingĩra macukuru-inĩ ma secondary kuma kĩrathi gĩa kenda.
To ensure that we are able to bring everybody up to speed, including the issues relating to selection of schools, the assessment of grade 9, ensuring that we'll have enough books for grade 10. All the teams are here to work on all those things so that we are prepared and ready for next year, just like we did when we were moving from grade 8 to grade 9.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamũ.